Antwerpen Volkswagen service. My name is Jackie Kennedy and I'm your service manager. In today's tutorial, we're going to go through our early bird night drop process. When you arrive to the dealership after hours, you're welcome to pull up in front of the door. Please park, lock your door. When you come over to our night drop box, which is right to the right, you'll open that up. We'll have our customer check-in envelopes along with pens. I do recommend bringing a pen because ours tend to grow legs and walk off sometimes. Please fill out the information on your night drop envelope. Place your key inside the envelope. Do not feel as though you have to lick it. It's gross. Then what you're going to do for us is right here in our mail slot, you're going to slide that envelope through. It makes it safe and secure inside the building. When the advisors enter in the morning, they'll take care of the rest of your check-in procedure. If you're not comfortable parking in front of the door, over to this side of our dealership is our customer parking, and you're welcome to use any open spot. We do ask that you make sure that you do lock your vehicle after exiting. Thank you for joining me today on today's tutorial with our early bird night drop.